Hi, I'm Danica, the Director of Outreach at Project Remote.
Hi, I'm Anika, Director of Management. For today's experiment, we'll be doing a classic, making a homemade volcano.
Be sure to get adult supervision because this will get messy, but that's all part of the fun. You'll need baking soda, liquid dish soap, vinegar,
an optional measuring cup, a large container like a baking tray, and something to stir with. For the best results, use a vertical container like a soda cup or a water bottle. You can also make your eruption colorful by using some dye.
If you want, use clay or paper mache to build your own volcano around the tube. Keep in mind the exact ratios of each measurement aren't super important. It's all about trial and error. We want you to test out different measurements to see what works best yourself. The first step is to prep. Go somewhere you don't mind making a mess.
Wherever you choose, you may want to use a container to catch extra spillage. We're using a baking tray and a plastic tablecloth that's easy to clean. Take your baking soda and add roughly 3 teaspoons to the container. Then add 3 teaspoons of dish soap. And mix them together like so. If you want, you can add food coloring at this point. This is where it gets exciting. Quickly add half a cup of vinegar into the mixture you just made and watch as the magic happens. We're creating what's known as a chemical reaction.
In a chemical reaction, we started off with our reactants, and those turned into our products.
In this experiment, our reactants are baking soda, dish soap, and vinegar. When the baking soda and vinegar combine, they create a gas called carbon dioxide.
As we just saw, this is exactly what happened. The reaction between the baking soda and vinegar caused the foam to expand. Pretty interesting, right?
To do the experiment, you can play around with the ratios of each substance and see what happens.
That's it from this video. We just demonstrated a quick and easy chemical reaction.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to send us photos of your homemade volcano eruptions and check out our other videos.
Let us know your thoughts down below on our website or reach out to us with questions at our email or on social media. Bye!